I'm Sandy Pearman.
And I'm Anna Pecker from Property Brokers Palmerston North.
We'd like to introduce you to 68 Atlantic Drive, which is a brand new build built by Versatile Homes in Palmerston North.
We've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a wonderful neutral decor. A few special features about this property. We have got already installed shears and blinds, and what we think is the coolest feature about this property is the built-in barista machine. Sandy, would you like a coffee?
I'd love one.
Sugar?
Thank you.
There we go.
Lovely. Come and see us at this home because you're going to be very sorry if you miss out.